In this video, verification loops that transform Claude's output, the 4-phase workflow, context management secrets, and the anti-patterns killing your productivity. You've been using Claude Code at maybe 20% of what it can actually do. The official docs have a line that stopped me cold. They call verification the single highest leverage practice for better results. Not better prompts, not bigger context windows. Verification. Here are 8 practices that change everything. The number 1 best practice. Give Claude a way to check its own work. Without verification, Claude produces plausible-looking code that breaks on edge cases. With verification, it self-corrects. Here's the pattern. Don't just say implement email validation. Say write validate email. Here are test cases, user@example.com. Returns true. Invalid returns false. User@.com returns false. Run the tests after. For UI work, tell Claude to take a screenshot and compare it to the design. Paste the reference image right in. For bugs, say fix this, run the test suite and verify it passes. Address root cause, don't suppress the error. Always close the loop, test it, screenshot it, verify it. The best workflow follows 4 phases. Explore, plan, code, commit. First, enter plan mode. Let Claude read files and understand the codebase. Ask questions. No changes yet. Second, create a plan. Press Ctrl-G to edit the plan in your text editor before proceeding. Third, switch to normal mode. Implement against the plan. Have Claude write tests and run them. Fourth, commit. Let Claude create the commit and PR. When should you skip planning? If you can describe the diff in 1 sentence, just do it. Planning is for uncertain approaches and multi-file changes. The more precise your instructions, the fewer corrections you'll need. 3 rules. Scope the task. Don't say add test for foo.py. Say write a test for foo.py covering the edge case where the user is logged out. Avoid mocks. Reference existing patterns. Look at how hotdog widget is built, follow that pattern for a calendar widget. Describe symptoms, not problems. Users report login fails after session timeout. Check the auth flow in source auth, especially token refresh. Your Claude.md file is your most powerful configuration tool. But most developers get it wrong. Keep it short. For every line ask, would removing this cause Claude to make mistakes? If Claude already does something correctly without the instruction, delete it. What to include? Commands. Claude can't guess. Code style that differs from defaults, testing conventions, repo etiquette, environment quirks, what to cut. Standard language conventions, detailed API docs, file-by-file descriptions, anything Claude can infer from reading the code. If Claude keeps ignoring a rule, your file is probably too long. Rules get lost in noise. The best results come from tight feedback loops. Know these shortcuts. Escape stops Claude mid-action. Context preserved, redirect instantly. Double escape opens the rewind menu. Restore code, conversation, or both. /clear resets. Context between unrelated tasks. /compact summarizes and frees space. Critical rule. If you've corrected Claude more than twice on the same issue, stop. /clear. Write a better prompt from scratch. A clean session with a better prompt almost always beats a polluted one. Here's a power move. Use 2 Claude sessions for quality. The writer-reviewer pattern. Session A implements the feature. Session B reviews it with fresh context. The reviewer won't be biased toward code it just wrote. Other patterns. 1 session writes tests, another writes code to pass them. 1 explores, 1 implements. Git work trees keep each session fully isolated. Different branches, different contexts, 0 interference. 5 mistakes killing your results. The kitchen sink session, mixing unrelated tasks, pollutes context. Fix /clear between tasks. Correcting over and over. After 2 failures, start fresh. The bloated Claude.md. Too long, Claude ignores half of it. Prune ruthlessly. The trust gap. Claude's output looks right but isn't tested. Always verify. The infinite exploration. Unscoped research fills context. Use subagents or scope narrowly. 8 practices. Verification loops, the 4-phase workflow, specific prompts, lean CLAUDE.md, course correction shortcuts, parallel sessions, avoiding anti-patterns. Try one today, you'll feel the difference immediately. Subscribe for more Claude Code deep dives, link in description.